Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious spicy beef and vegetable stir fry with mushrooms. So let's get started. Yeah, to make our spicy beef and vegetable stir fry here, we're using Angus beef steaks here. They're cut really thin, and we pounded them nice and thin to tenderize them using one of these. Yeah, our meat tenderizing hammer. Yeah, we just love using these, don't we? Yep. Yeah, I just thought I'd show you our top of the round steaks, just how thin they really are. Can you see them? Really nice. They're pretty. Okay. All right. What we're going to do here, we're going to stack these up. That's a nice piece too. We're going to stack them up here, just like that. And we're going to put them in the middle here. And we're going to need to slice this up. Now this is the grain going this way in all the steaks, so we're going to cut across the grain so it's nice and tender. So we'll just go ahead and take our Santuco knife by a steady. There you go. This knife is really nice and sharp yet. Alright, let's just go ahead and make strips. Okay, now these big ones in the middle, we can cut them in half if you want. So we'll just go ahead and do that. We'll turn them sideways. There you go. Alright, we'll cut them right in half. Just like that. Okay, now we'll take a bowl here and we'll put them right in there. Okay, there we have our beef all sliced up here. So now we're going to just go ahead and make a marinade for this to make it taste really good. Yeah, so let's get started doing that. Okay, to make our marinade for our spicy beef here, we're going to use 2 ounces of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, yeah, that'll help tenderize the beef. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, yeah, that ought to do something, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, yeah, that ought to kick it up a notch. And half a teaspoon of sugar, or in this case, brown sugar. Okay, now we're going to just use our hand and a nice glove, and we're going to go ahead and mix this up. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now we're going to let that sit and marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, let's move our spicy beef out of the way here and let it marinate for a while. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and slice up some celery. Just make little strips here. Okay. Just bunch them together. Cut them up. I'm going to just go ahead and put them in a bowl. And we'll just get another one here and do the same thing. Just make like little strips. Cut them up. And we'll go ahead and put them in the bowl. Gee, you might need a bigger bowl. Here are the ingredients to make our delicious spicy beef and vegetable stir fry. with mushrooms. We have celery sticks here that we sliced up. We have broccoli, cauliflower, sugar snap peas, white corn, water chestnuts, red and green bell peppers, and half an onion sliced up in there. Yeah, that sounds good. And we have 8 ounces of mushrooms over here, all sliced up. And we have our Angus top of the round beefsteak here that we sliced up real thin, marinated, and put soy sauce in there, red peppers, cayenne pepper, all kinds of nice spices. Yeah, that's going to be tasty. Okay, let's get stir frying. That sounds good. Okay, now we're going to set our burner to medium high. Make sure you put enough oil in the pan here. Okay, and we're going to let that heat up. Okay, our pan seems to be hot enough here. We're going to add our marinated beef here. We're going to put that right in there. Okay, let's stir that around. Give it a good stir here. Okay, they're almost done. Okay, they look pretty good. Yep. Okay, they're done for now. I'm going to get them back out of there and we'll put them right back in a bowl here. Boy, they smell good. Make sure you get all that marinade out of the pan there because that's where all the flavor is. Okay. We'll put them aside again for now. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a little more oil to the pan here. And we're going to go ahead and put our vegetables right in there. And we're going to put our celery in too. And give them a little stir. Now we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of water here. Stir that in a little. Okay, now we're going to cover that and let them cook and soften up a bit. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah, our vegetables are doing pretty good here. Okay, we're going to let some of the water evaporate off here while they're steaming and get those vegetables a little more tender. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah, that's just about right there. Good. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to add our mushrooms. Boy, that's a load of mushrooms. We'll put them right in there. Stir them in. Now, it's not going to take too long to heat up those mushrooms. That's a pretty big one right there. Okay. Okay, now we're going to take our marinated beef and we're going to put that right back in there with all that nice juice and oil. Yeah. Beautiful marinade there. And we're going to stir them in. And the cornstarch and everything that's in there will help thicken this and give it a nice shine. Wow, this is really looking good. Beautiful. Okay. All right, let's lower the heat and we'll cover that and let everything get nice and hot. Okay, let's uncover that and give it a check. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, beautiful. All right, let's shut off our burner. Now all we have to do is get ready to plate this up. Boy, that smells good. Wish you could smell this because it really does smell good. Well, there you have it, guys. A delicious spicy beef and vegetable stir fry with plenty of mushrooms, plenty of vegetables, and we're loaded with spicy beef here. Boy, does that look good. Yeah, I don't think you can beat this one because it really smells tasty. Okay, let's go ahead and put a little sesame seed on there. Okay, now let's go ahead and have a little taste. Oh, you see that? Boy, does that look good. Okay, let's just have a little bite. Oh, is that spicy beef tender? Yep, it is tender and delicious. Yeah, the beef here is mildly hot. I thought it would be a little bit hotter, but it's not. It's just nice. Yeah, that's really good. That recipe is great for this. Okay, you know what go good with this right there? Yep, a nice wobble pop. Yeah, that sounds good. And maybe a couple friends over, because this is a lot to eat. Okay, and if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to have another little bite. Yep, beautiful. Good.